Tired of passwords alone protecting your precious online life? Let's supercharge your security in 90 seconds by setting up Authy, your personal digital bodyguard. First, head to your App Store, that's the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iPhones, and search for Authy. Look for the app by Twilio Authy and tap install. Once it's downloaded, tap open to launch the Authy app. Now, Authy needs to know your country code and phone number. This is how it verifies you. Select your country from the list and enter your phone number in the provided fields. Next, Authy will ask how you want to verify your number. You'll usually have the option to receive a phone call or a verification code via SMS text message. Choose whichever method you prefer. I'm selecting SMS. Enter the verification code you receive in the app. Great! Authy is now set up and ready to protect your accounts. To add an account, simply scan the QR code provided by the website or service you want to protect, or manually enter the secret key if a QR code isn't available. When you log into the protected website or service, Authy will generate a unique 6-digit code every few seconds. Just copy that code from Authy and paste it into the website to complete your login. You've now added an extra layer of protection with Authy. Finally, don't forget to enable backups and multi-device options in Authy's settings. This will ensure you don't lose access to your accounts if you lose your phone or want to use Authy on multiple devices. That's it. You've successfully set up Authy and are now better protected against hackers. Stay safe online.